beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an outdoors DIY. This is going to be like a little cutesy centerpiece for our patio table or your side table in my case. Or you can use it I guess anywhere outside. And this is the things that you're going to need to create it. You're going to need some hot glue sticks. You're going to need a hot glue gun. You would need a glass that is similar to this, that has like a base like this, possibly I guess a wine glass will work, but I like the fact that this is long and slender and it has the ridge, so that is a plus. I picked this up from my local Goodwill, as you can see, for 99¢. I don't know where they sell them at in the store, so I can't tell you that. I find them a lot at the Goodwill, so you would need a glass similar to that. You also need some bling, and you would need some of these gems. Now these gems I've picked up in the past from my local Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them lately, so I don't know how much luck you would have finding these, and I'm running low, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do when they're all gone. If you guys know where I can find these other than the Dollar Tree, then go ahead and please, if you don't mind, share that in the comment section below. Also, you will need a beautiful bird like this. This little glam white bird can be found at the Dollar Tree. I picked this up a few weeks ago, so I'm not sure if they're still there or not. You know, Dollar Trees have different rotations in different cities, so this bird is $1 and it's found in the floral section. And lastly, you would need 3 of these solar lights here, and I got these from for $2 from Family Dollars. So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, I want to take a moment now to go ahead and invite you to do so, and it's free. All you have to do is click that subscribe button right there down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. So if you have all of those things done and you're ready to kick back and enjoy this DIY, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright, to get started with this DIY, the first steps that we're going to take is to measure our bling wrap. We want to find out how much we would need to glue it down to the base of this centerpiece. Once you have your measurements, just go ahead and clip it with your scissors, and then we're going to take a dab of hot glue and we're going to place it around the base of the glass. Next thing we're going to do, you guys, is take our bling wrap and measure the base of our beautiful globe solar balls. After we've done that, we're going to cut that bling wrap into strips of 2s or rows of 2s, because we only want 2 rows of bling around the base. Now that's my preference. However, you can put as much bling on the base as you like. Okay guys, so just as I've mentioned before, these beautiful balls are solar light balls and they are powered by the solar light. That is how they work. So you want to make sure that this part of the globe is facing upwards so that it can get sunlight and daylight so it can work at night. So at night it will automatically power on and you will have a lovely shimmer or glow from the ball that will provide some nighttime table lighting. And to clip it on is very self-explanatory and easy. As you can see, it comes with a clip. Just take the clip and you're going to clip it to the side of the glass, and then there's a little groove. You want to put the hook into that groove so that it will stay upright. Now, I thought that this was super cute, these solar balls here, and I just thought I didn't have a place in my home where I could use them in a lot of places because my patio setting is very small. So I thought to make this solar centerpiece to sit on my table out back. Also, you guys, I think that this DIY can also be used in the house too if it needs to be, but especially for outdoor cookouts, outside parties, this would be a great centerpiece for your tables. Now back to the DIY. We're going to take our third solar light and we're going to remove the clips from the side as well as the hooks. And the reason why we're going to do that because this is going to be our topper. Now it's your choice on whether or not you want to glue it down or you want to just leave it upright where it can get light. And then when you're ready to sit it on the table at night, you could just kindly just sit it up there and that way it will still glow. However, I'm going to go ahead and just use some hot glue and glue mine down. I didn't want to make it permanent just in case I decided I didn't want to use it this way anymore. So I'm using hot glue and I'm being careful to only put it on the outer sides of the solar pad. I don't want to get it on the solar pad part just in case there's enough light reflecting for it to work while it's glued down. I'm not sure because this is my first time doing this DIY. Also, you want to make sure that you have it centered in the middle of the centerpiece, and the next step we're going to do is just glue down those little crystal, well they're not crystal, but those little acrylic gems. And also, you guys, do you know where you can get more of these gems? If so, sound out for me down in the comment section below. Alright, so now we get to play with our beautiful bird, and as lovely and gorgeous as she is already, I could not resist the temptation of adding just a small strip of bling down her back just to give her a little bit more of glam. So that is what I'm going to do. This is definitely optional, you guys. The bird is also optional. However, I am going to glue this little strip on her back, and then we're going to place her in place on the centerpiece. Okay guys, she's all done and she has her bling down her back. She's complete now. She also has some little iridescent feathers on the sides. You can barely see them, but they're there. And it's just a nice added touch. I love this little bird. So we're going to put her in place right after this step. So I was thinking that this centerpiece could use a base. So if you do have on hand something, a plate or something, I'm going to use this mirror here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as my base. So what I'm going to do is pretty simple. I'm just going to glue the bottom of this glass down to the mirror so that it has more of a base and it's less likely to topple over while it's outside under the weather environments. Now, you know, you can use a permanent glue if you like. I didn't. I just used the hot glue. I thought it would be sufficient enough. So it's up to you guys. You can use E6000 or the Fits All from the Dollar Tree if you choose to. Alright, so now that we have our base in place, and I love the way it looks, it adds a little bit more of glam actually, I think. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's get that beautiful bird into place. So we're just going to put a little bit of hot glue, or you can use permanent glue, but this is like plastic material. So I'm going to use the hot glue and it should hold just fine. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom of her clip once I figure out where I want her to be placed. With so many different options, I could not decide. So I ended up putting her at the very top, slightly off center. So that's it, you guys. This will make a beautiful, beautiful centerpiece for any event planning that is being held outdoors or indoors. Although the lights do light up, they can still light up in the inside once they've been powered by the sunlight from the outside. So it can definitely be used indoors as well. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. I'm going to show you now how it all looks. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for your time. Please take a moment and click that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.